Good evening, traders. Welcome to 200forexpips.com. And guys, today I'm back with another live stream and we will talk about the technical analysis of the market. So, guys, yesterday, last night, we have done the live streaming as well. And I have also discussed this thing in my WhatsApp group that those subscribers who were unable to catch the live streaming yesterday, so they can join it today because I'm still open to the live streaming. And I thought that during this season that we will conduct a good number of live streaming sessions so that I can update the trading style of my subscribers. So that's why I'm doing the live streaming, and moreover, you will learn about the trading systems and you will learn about each and everything during the live streaming session. And guys, one more thing, if you have any questions regarding any currency pairs and if you want me to give the technical analysis on a particular currency pair, so you can ask during this live session and I will throw my light on the particular pair that you will discuss during the chat box here. So let's wait for one more minute so that we can have some subscribers into the chat room and then we will get started. So one more thing, guys, the red bond indicators are attached on the system on this here, and the other indicators that I'm using is the trend dashboard. You can see it's completely separate from the previous one. I mean, the red boundary indicator is the separate indicator, and it also has arrows with it, and the third one is that's price monitor. So basically this is a set of three indicators, and this is separate. I mean, I'm talking about the forex trend dashboard. So this is completely another setup that you can, if you want to trade at your own with a trend dashboard. So it will highlight you because it gives you different time frames, like you can see on the screen: 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, and 4 hours daily and weekly. This trend dashboard highlights you about the possible trend in the form of different time frames, and it will tell you about up and down of the market. So this trend dashboard is very effective, and I introduced this trend dashboard during this year, and that's really a very good trading tool. If you don't have this, so guys, you can get it and you can contact me. And if you want to get this forex trend dashboard, if you want to get the red boundary indicator, you can contact me on WhatsApp as well. That is +92318 6732851. Or guys, you can also leave an email on info@the rate of 200forexpips.com. I'm repeating the WhatsApp number again: 923186732851. Okay, guys. So basically, you can use the link as well. You can contact me on WhatsApp for the inquiries. Okay, guys, let's talk about the market. Let's get started. So what's going on gold? If you look at the pattern, then if I prepare the trend line here on gold, then you can see that the market is going into the upward side on gold. However, in the previous days, we have seen that the gold was on the weaker side, but now it's just making some sort of momentum. Okay, right now, if you look at here, this is the 1 hour chart that I have opened for you. This is not the smaller time frame. So right now, if you look at here, the market is at the oversold levels of the market. So it is indicating us that the further upward momentum can prevail, and we have also few ups on the 1 hour as per the trend dashboard. However, the trend dashboard is much more focused on the downtrend right now, because on the higher time frames, it's expecting that the gold still into the downward trend. But I'm going to take you towards the 1 minute chart. Okay, guys, first of all, look at this pattern. That if you talk about the market here, so if you find the such type of chance, like the hourly candle was closed above the 1 minute candle was closed above the middle dotted line. So it means that if it closes on the 1 hour above the middle dotted line, then you can buy any particular pair, and you can see the market has went up. Okay, so this is the good methodology for trading the 1 hour chart, not for the 1 minute. I do not want to say you that you are going to trade the 1 minute chart. No, I don't advise it. And when the market stays below the middle dotted line, right now on the 1 minute, you can see that the market is just below the middle dotted line. And if it starts making the bearish pattern, then selling opportunities are on gold in that scenario. But however, do not forget this, because you know that I'm a day trader, and I also advise my subscribers to go into the daily direction. Look what's happening here. If you look at here, the market is at the oversold levels of the trading system. So it cannot be ignored in any way. So overall, Right now, if you ask me, things are looking bullish to me on the 1 hour. Okay, if we go back to 1 minute, I think the picture should get changed. It will again pump above the middle dotted line, and then it will get a further boost, because if I still make the trend line on gold, then if you look at here, you can see the market is making the bullish pattern. Okay, guys, as I'm conducting the live streaming session, so if you have any questions, you can use the chat box and you can ask me about the technical analysis on any currency pair, and you can also ask me questions about the gold, and I will give you my highlights about what could be the possible next trend on the gold. So if we go to the weekly, you can see the market is pumping up, because if we look at the previous pattern, then gold has gone to the weaker side, and now it looks like that it's gaining some sort of momentum. But overall, the trend line suggests that I am going into the downward direction. That is why you can see on the weekly, it's still with all down signs on the gold. However, for the scalping purpose, it's fine that if you want to trade gold, that is not a big problem. So you can see the market is at the oversold levels. It has chances to go into the upward direction, so it can gain some momentum. So let's have a look on gold. What's going on? Look, the previous candle is bullish on 1 minute. And if you look like here, then it looks like that it could go bullish. So let's see. Okay, so you need to watch the market, because guys, if you don't watch the market, then things will not be understandable for you. It's very important that you analyze the market the way I'm giving you, like how to judge the market, because you have seen the 1 hour chart. Everything is set up for the bullish trend as per my opinion. So gold should get a bullish pressure from that level. So let's see how things go on. So if you want to plan any trade on gold, so for the short term basis, I would say that gold is bullish as per the trading system. Okay, and even 1, 2, 3, I have three up signs on gold from the trend dashboard indicator as well. So let's see on the 1 minute what's going on. So basically, guys, I have set up this time for the live streaming session, because during the day we cannot conduct it, because you must be busy with the trading opportunities. So this is kind of a fine time where we can analyze the market, and we will talk about the whole day trading. So this would be easy for us if we conduct the live streaming sessions at 10 p.m. GMT +5, and later on I will see that if I will change any time, then maybe I will go back for just like at 9 p.m. So this could be the possible options, 9 p.m. or 10 p.m. So overall, the gold is into the strength as per my opinion. So let's see, and let's go to the 4 hour chart so that we can see. Okay, guys, on the 4 hour, you can see the market tried to break the middle dotted line, but unable to close below the middle dotted line. So I have also talked about this thing in my previous streaming session, that if the market closes below the middle dotted line, then it has chances to go down. Yes, Graham, thank you for joining this live trading room. Thank you very much. So Graham, how are you, brother? So guys, Graham is one of my very good subscribers. He's working with me from 2015. He's also subscribed to my signal service. You know very well about the techniques that I am using for the trading. Okay, guys, you can see us. Okay, Tomaz, how are you, brother? Welcome back to the live streaming. Okay, guys, you can see it's pumping down on the 1 minute. So do not get confused with this thing, because if you consult the hourly chart, then hourly chart is still into the oversold levels. Okay, Graham, good to see. Yes, very good. Thank you. So, Graham, we are again going to do the live streaming session so that you can improve your trading style. So you know that I will try my best to guide you people. And also, you were asking a question that how I can scalp the market. So this trading session will definitely help you to scalp the market in a very good way. Okay, so as I was talking about the combination of 1 hour chart and 1 minute chart. Okay, guys, so it looks like that on the 1 hour, it's making this slight downward trend, but however, this is not the case, because you have to go to the higher time frame. On the higher time frame, look at here. If I make the trend line here, it's bullish, it's into the oversold levels, right? And one more thing, look at the previous candle. So what happened with the previous candle? First of all, it makes a tail and then it closes bullish. So a bullish tail was appeared. So apparently it looked like that gold just started with a bearish pattern. However, it also has received some down on 1 minute, a slight down, not very much down. But overall, generally, if you watch the market, this is a very good buying option. Like when you buy any pair when the price is already low. I mean, for example, let's say if the gold comes up to here, or maybe if it drops up to here, then the buying is very preferably, because if you have judged the 1 minute chart, you have thought that it's making the tail. So it's better to buy the pair on a particular trail, and then you should end up with the profits. So let's say if the gold comes down up to here, if this pattern continues, for example, like talk about this one. So right now it's making the bullish pattern from here. So let's say if it goes further down and if it touched that level, and then if we open our buy position based on the 1 hour chart, because you have analyzed the market, that market looks like bullish because the market is into the oversold levels. However, on the 1 minute, you can say that the fluctuation can be anything on the 1 minute. So buying, I just want to convey one thing. My basically purpose is to let you people understand that buying anything at the lower price is a very good idea. If you have judged the 1 hour chart, if you feel that this is at the oversold levels, and if it's making the tail, that's what you have assumed, okay, then you should plan a buy trade, and then go with the lower price. So not sure, because right now it has just started and we are facing the slower momentum right during that time, but overall, I have just conveyed my message that you can buy uh, any currency pair. Right now we are into the commodity section, that we are talking about the gold, but buying it at the lower price is not the bad idea. Hope this concept will be clear to you. Okay, one thing I have more analyzed based on the weekly, you can see down, down, down. All time frames are down by the trend dashboard, and if I take you towards the weekly chart, it's a slightly uptrend, but overall, if we talk about the whole trend of the market, then you can see this trend line is indicating you that I'm going downward. So basically, you know that even into the downward trend, we will expect some bullish candles as well. Look, it was dropping from here, but still you can see few up candles as well. So this is the natural flow of the market. This will come into your sides all the time. So bullish and bearish mixture of the candles will appear. So do not get confused with this. Okay, so coming back to gold 1 minute chart, look, it's again repeating its pattern. Look, it's slightly making a bullish move. So overall, if you ask me, then it looks like that this candle should be in a bullish manner on the 1 hour chart. Hopefully this concept will be clear to you. Okay, at next we are going to Euro USD. Let's move here. So overall, if you make the trend line here on Euro USD, then you can see that the market is making the upward pattern. If I take you towards the signals report that I have given in the morning, and you can see my signal was also bullish on Euro USD. And from where, let me talk about this, 1216364. So I was bullish, but overall, the volatility remained very less today. And if you consult the Forex trend dashboard, then guys, you can see on the 1 hour, it's clearly up. So that's the power of the trend dashboard. On the 4 hour, it's up. On the daily, it's up. It basically gives you the essence of the market. When we talk about the Forex trend dashboard, that is very important. Okay, right now you can see the market. What happened to the market? It was pumped below the middle dotted line. Then scalping is on. I mean, if you have taken a sell position here, overall the pattern is definitely buy. I mean, I'm talking about the bullish pattern, but guys, I'm again repeating, within a bullish pattern you will be also facing the negative candles, the bearish candles as well. Like these two bearish candles are in appearance right now. You can see it's pumping down. So why it's pumping down? Because this candle was closed below the middle dotted line. As per the trading system, the next candle is pumping down, right? Okay, so let me take you towards the 1 minute chart. Okay, now look at here. Look at this thing. It's telling you that I'm going down. So it has reached to the blue boundary of the trading system. So guys, one common mistakes that I have seen in my traders, that when the market just touch the blue boundary or red boundary, this starts going to open the buy positions. This is completely a wrong approach, because you are not going to trade it wisely like this. So guys, if it starts making the bullish pattern from the red boundary or blue boundary, it should be a proper pattern. I mean, I'm talking about the pattern like this. For example, if you were planning to do a sell trade, then you can see it was going down, go down, down, and this candle was closed below the middle dotted line. The next candle dropped, and still it's making the downward pattern. Okay, now if you ask me, would I like to buy the pair based on this pattern? So this is completely a wrong thing. Never do this, because if it is making the bearish pattern, so why you are going to make a bullish trade? That will be completely wrong. Look at this. Right now, if you look, still it's making the bearish candles because it has not started its bullish momentum till now. So that's what I want to explain right now. Let it complete the bearish momentum, and then we will see about the next thing. And moreover, one more thing, when you are trading the actual market, you first of all have a look on the 1 minute, 1 hour, sorry, that what's going on the 1 hour. So guys, can you please tell me, everyone who is watching this live stream, what's going on the 1 hour? Is it bullish or bearish? The answer is simple. The candle is bearish. So if the candle is bearish, and if you have analyzed as per the trading system, so if you ask me that would I like to plan a long trade at that level, so my answer will be no, because I'm not sure that where the market can have a drop up to. So for example, it can drop up to here at 1 to 1021, or maybe it would have a drop up to here, and then it works, this market works like a tennis ball. So maybe it's kind of a pattern that you can see, that maybe the market hit 120,722, and after that it starts to bounce back into the same direction. Because if I make the proper trend line here, then you can see it's still into the upward direction, it's not into the downward direction. However, you will find that some peaks will be at the lower tail and some peaks will be at the upper part as well. So right now you are unsure, but overall, if you want to do scalping on Euro USD, that is fine. I mean, it's going down on the 1 hour, and if you get a reasonable time, I mean, I'm not talking about this session, but I'm talking about like during the day. If you find any opportunities like this, that the market is pumping down below the middle dotted line, then go and take a sell position. Okay, right now, look at this pattern, guys. This is the live market. Look, now it looks like it's transforming its pattern to bullish. Now, if you find such type of opportunities on the hourly chart, guys, I'm again repeating because the volatility is so much so much high on 1 minute. So it's not easy to predict the market based on the 1 minute. So this was the downward trend. Look, that was the reversal. Look, it looks like that's reversing. So just uh, put this graph in your mind and just think that if the reversal is coming on the 1 hour chart like this, the same pattern that I am giving you right here, then do not get confused to take a buy trade. This would be a very sound buy trade. Look at this candle. It's pumping up. Look, the transformation of this downward trend, it changed the trend from here. So it was wrong to, I mean, take a sell position up to here, because it was wrong. I mean, sorry, buy position. It was wrong to take a buy position from here. Yes, you definitely have to wait for at least one candle. Two is more than good. I mean, if you find two consecutive bullish candles, that very good. And if you look at here, the scalper has also pointed you with a buy signal, and the next candle also pumped up. And if you talk about the current candle, it's also pumping up. Okay. So I talk about the transformation, I talk about the trend reversal, that where from the market is going to reverse at a particular point. So that was the reversing point of the market, that after the downward trend on Euro USD, the market decided to reverse from the trend. I mean, the previous trend was the downward trend, and later on the market decided that I'm not going to go further down. I mean, the buyers put their interest into the buying positions, and look how swiftly the market has gone up. So guys, why I am consulting the 1 minute chart? I am not advising you, again and again I am repeating that I am not advising my subscribers to buy and sell any pair based on the 1 minute chart. But the main purpose of my demonstration is this, that if you find such type of patterns on the 1 hour chart, then you should not decide, because I am not in front of my screen all the day, and I will not be here to guide you all the day. So definitely I just talk about the possible opportunities that I can see on the 1 minute, so that if you find this type of opportunities on the 1 hour, then you should not mind to take a particular position. So I have discussed both scenarios in this analysis on Euro USD. Like if you want to scalp if you want to scalp on the 1 hour chart, right? So what I have given you the knowledge that if the market closes below the middle dotted line, if you want to scalp the market on the next candle, you can take a sell position. Look, it's dropped. Okay. And on the other hand, if we go back to the 1 minute chart, and I have given you that if the reversal gets started from the oversold levels, then you have to buy the pair. So basically, we are going to cover the both concepts. Like we have also discussed scalping, and we have also discussed about planning a long trade as well. Because when this type of reversal will appear on the 1 hour, then it will be very sweet reversal. For example, let's me take an example. Look at here. Look. So how long, from how many minutes the market is going down, 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 and then how many minutes? Because each candle has 1 minute duration. Look how many minutes it took for the market to go down, and then it changed its transformation, and now it looks like that the market starts to pump up. Hopefully guys, this concept must be clear to you right now. So guys, if I move ahead, if you have any questions about this concept, you can simply ask me during this chat box, so that we can cover during the euro USD, because we were talking about the euro USD reversals, and I have also given you the scalping technique as well. Graham, this technique also can be used by you if you follow it with the right methodology, because I have highlighted you that you have to cover these both concepts based on the 1 hour as well as based on the 1 minute. So both are the opportunities for you. So guys, if you have any questions till now, then you can ask during this chat box. Let me know if any question. Yes, on 1 hour. Yes, Graham. Basically, on 1 hour, things will be very good, because it will be good for the judgment. So on the 1 hour, if you ask me, it looks slightly bearish, good for scalping. Euro USD, that looks good for scalping. But if you talk about the 1 minute, so I have given you one approach, that if you find such type of scenario on 1 hour chart, that what we are seeing on the 1 minute, so do not hesitate to buy the pair. That's my opinion. Rest is your choice, because you are going to deal with your account as well. Okay, now look at the New Zealand USD. Okay. So guys, if you like this, if you like this live streaming, then not forget to press the like button as well, because it will be kind of an appreciation from your side, that if you love the content, then you should at least press the like button. Check the direction. Ali had door. So you use 1 hour to check the direction, 1 minute chart. No, brother, I am just giving you the outline of the 1 hour. Basically, I consult up to the monthly chart, weekly chart. But just for the demonstration purpose, I am telling you that you can use the 1 hour chart, because it's, you cannot say this thing that on the 1 hour we can miss the opportunities. No, if you're following and entering into the right trade, then definitely you must be able to catch the profit from the 1 hour as well. That's not a problem. Okay guys, look at the New Zealand USD here. Okay, this is the second pair that I'm going to discuss right now. What's going on? Look at here, it's pumping below the middle dotted line, right? So if you ask me, would I like to take a buy position, sell position at that point? So my answer will be no, because I would, yes, if you ask me that, would you prefer to go with the direction of the 1 minute, then 1 hour candle that is making the bearish pattern. So guys, make sure that if we talk about the scalping, I mean, when the things come up to scalping, then you must note that one thing, that go with the flow of the market. I mean, the market is pumping down, so I'm just leave that the trading system is attached on the chart. Just forget this point. Okay. For example, if you are trading the naked chart, just make sure that if the market is pumping down and you want to make a quick scalp into the market, then go with the sell direction. Okay. If the market is making the upward pattern, for example, look at here, 1, 2, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours. And even in the fifth hour, it was bit down, and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So basically, if out of 10, only 1 hour was down and 9 hours stays into the bullish direction. So if you ask me, what would I do in between that levels? So my answer will be, I would prefer to buy a particular pair by going with the flow of the market. I do not want to be over smart here, that if the market is going into the upward direction and I am going to take about a sell position on this one, this is completely a wrong approach. Because let's say if you have taken a sell position from here, the market was going up, and if you have not close your trade, then you can see the account can be blown in that scenario, because you will have nothing in your account if the market will, because I'm again telling you that when the reversals come, because I'm talking about the swing trading right now. Okay, so when we talk about the swing trader, it's not easy to predict the market like this. When the reversal changed its pattern, so a slow pattern, it was going up, and later on you can see again we have one bearish candle, and then we have another bearish candle here, and another bearish candle. Looks like people must be thinking that it's going down, but no, Basically, the reversal was started from here, and then what happened? The market starts to get a further upward pressure. And look, this hourly candle was also closed above the middle dotted line. Look, it pumped and it tested the red zone at the top. So, guys, one thing I want to focus here is this: never hold your trades for the longer period of time. This will not be wise, especially when you are doing scalping. I mean, for example, let's say if I'm going to take a sell position on New Zealand USD on this candle, going with the flow of the market, just considering this thing that I'm going with the flow of the market, and I have taken a sell position on this particular pair. So let's say if it moves up, for example, if this candle makes a bullish pattern, then I will go and immediately exit from that trade. I will not be a victim of that trade so that it can blow my account. So this should be your approach while doing the trading. So I have seen many 99% of traders lose their, I mean, they lose. Why they lose? Because they hold their trades, and one negative trade closes, and simply it blown their accounts. So they test their accounts with the hope that it will be back into our ranges any other day. So this is completely a wrong way, because this is how 99% or whatever you can say 95% people lose their money in the forex market, because they think that with the hope that it will clear one day. This is completely a wrong approach. So what is the best approach? Always do a immediate decision on a particular trade. It's going down, but let's say, who knows, that it could pump up into the next 34 minutes. And if it pumps up, then it can simply it will be simply at the losing side. Okay, Andrea Benson, is the bands repainted, please? Okay, Andrea, let me tell you one thing. Look, yes, definitely these band repaints, but you do not have to worry about this thing, because you are not going to consult the 1 minute chart and the other smaller charts. I'm again repeating that I'm talking about the strategy that starts from the 1 hour. So repainting is not the issue. I'm using the same trading indicators from 2015. I take my help for the signal service that I prepare based on this trading system from 2015. So it's working very fine. I mean, you cannot talk about the repainting because, for example, let's say if I go to the weekly chart, then what should be the repainting problem? If you look at the pattern, look, it's clearly going into the upward side. So everyone knows it's going upward. Look, overall the chart is going upward. So repainting is not the issue when especially you are consulting the higher time frames. So for example, if this candle closes below the middle dotted line, and the next hour we will try our best to take a sell position. I mean, if you want to trade, then you will prefer to take a sell position as based on the trading system. So repainting is not the issue. If you are repainting is the issue, repainting is the issue for those people who are going to try to plan a trade as per 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minutes. So this could be the problem for those people. It's not for the day traders. Okay. So look at here, guys. One more thing about the Forex trend dashboard. Look at here. On the daily, it's highlighting you upward. On the 1 hour, it highlighted you upward. And on the weekly, everything is upward. So again, the same concept applies that overall, if you make the trend line, the market is going into the upward direction. But from the last 3 hours, the New Zealand USD is making the downward pressure. So guys, what should be the answer in that scenario? That if it's good for you that it's dropping. For example, if it drops up to here, or it drops up to here, and if it comes into the weaker zone and the price gets low, and you have tested as per the forex trend dashboard that the daily trend is going into the upward direction, then it will be a very good thing if you let it come down so that you can buy this pair at a better price. So guys, always make a focus on this thing, especially like you go to the supermarkets and you prefer to buy any products at a discounted price. So similarly, same theory applies to the forex market. It's very, very good. I'm going to give my experience to you people that it's very good if you buy any particular pair at a reasonable price. How do we obtain the trend analysis? Trend analysis on MT4, Brian said. Brian, I don't know what you want to say. Look, on the daily, it's highlighting you upward, and everything. Look, on the 1 hour upward, 4 hours upward, and on the weekly upward. But I think you were asking that how I can get this trend dashboard. So if you do not have the trend dashboard, you can contact me on WhatsApp +923186732851, or you can open my any video on YouTube from the recent ones. Then you can find this contact number in my description of the videos, and you can contact me, or you can leave an email as well to info@200forexpips.com, and you can also request for trend dashboard indicator. That's not a problem. So those subscribers, again repeat that who those don't have the trend indicator, they can contact me on my WhatsApp +923186732851. This number will be given in the description of this videos, and also you can play my any video on YouTube from the recent ones. Then you will find this number, or you can leave an email, and then you can contact me regarding the trend dashboard. So guys, overall, what I was willing to try to convince you about the thing that it's good to buy a particular pair at the lower price. Look, the daily trend is indicating you up, up, up. So let it come down at a better price. Then we will prefer to go with the buy direction. So maybe I will go with a bullish signal tomorrow. Okay, let's say let me talk about the today's signal on New Zealand USD. Let me open it. So if you look at here, I had a bullish signal today. This is the report that I have sent to the subscribers in the morning for 3 December 2020. And that's my second signal of my signals report, that is New Zealand USD. I have advised my traders to buy it at 0.70841. And look, it went up into the top areas as well. So it was good. Even you know that we are facing the slow markets from November. So, but it was good to make a profit. If you have traded this one, that should be a very good option. Okay. So guys, I have highlighted you about the concept as well. Moreover, look at here. If I make the smaller trend line here, then guys, you can see this candle was closed below the middle dot line, and then the next candles were down. Okay. Thank you, Andrea. Thank you so much. Okay, look, this is going to be into the downward direction. Okay, so for the short term, NZD USD can go down, but if we talk about the higher time frames, then guys, this is the difference. That this is kind of a difference between a common trader and a professional trader, because professional traders always go to the higher time frames. The much higher the time frame, the better results could come. So if you want to scalp the market, and even if you want to plan a semi long trade, not a very much long trade, you can consult the 1 hour pattern. That's good. 4 hour is also good. Daily is extremely well, and even weekly is very fantastic. So you can consult all time frames. Okay, the next one is Great Britain Pound USD. I don't want to bore you with any single pair, so let's go to Great Britain Pound USD. So what happened today, guys? Great Britain Pound USD has went into the upward direction today. Okay, right now you can see it has gone into the red boundary. Let me see my signal, what my signal was on Great Britain Pound USD. So guys, you can see my signal was bullish from 134,288, and guys, it was somehow here 288. And Graham, you must know, because you must be subscribed to my signals. So you can also tell the community that how signals are going on, because you are my subscriber from a long term with my signals. 134,288. So Graham, if you are into the live stream, then you can let the other people know about the signal service that you're getting from, I think previously, overall the Graham is with me from 2015, but he subscribed to my signals. I think so it's more than a year now that he's getting my signals report on a daily basis. Thank you, Graham. Thank you for feedback. So guys, my signal was bullish, and Graham know very well because he receives the email from my side in daily in the morning, and my signal was bullish from 134,288. And guys, you can see the market has gone into the upward side. So basically the market has went up. Okay, right now, if you look at the market on Great Britain Pound USD, it completely went into the overbought levels. Okay, there are 10 signals in this report. Aliha, they were sets. Aliha, these are the 10 signals. So basically, I just give a one-time report on 10 signals, and then we see that how many signals are going to trigger into the daily market. So not sure. We are even not sure about this, that how many signals are going to trigger. So overall, let me tell you, look at this. Yes, 10 signals per day in one report. Since 2000, good support from 240. Thank you, Brands. Thank you so much, brother. Okay, now look at this time that the upward momentum has came into the market, right? So we have seen that throughout the day, Great Britain Pound USD has went into the upward direction. And now you need to be a little bit careful, because now the market has entered into the overbought levels. So the moves that came during the day, they have completed their moves, and the market has moved to the upward side. Okay, one more thing. It does not mean all the time that the market will only go into the upward direction. Look, we will also find the bearish candles as well during a bullish trend as well. Look, it was a bullish trend, but still we have also seen some bearish moves as well. So what I am trying to say is this: maybe you are going to find the bearish opportunities later tonight because the market has reached to the overbought levels. So I am again repeating, guys, always wait for the next move. I am putting a trend line here that will be more easy for you to understand this thing. So basically what happens after every upward trend, we also expect a small downward trend. If we talk about the upward trend, I mean, if we talk about the upward trend, the market is going up. So it will also make some corrections here. It will also make a slight downward trend, and again it will come back to that level, and then again it will pump up. So this is the methodology of forex market, that it makes like it just moves like water. I mean, when the market when the water goes up, if you watch the phenomena, if you watch the working of a sea waves, then you come to know that when they go up, then again they come down as well. But if the pressure of water will be so much, then definitely it will be making the higher waves much, and the downward waves will be lesser. I mean, it will be making a new peak every time. So before making any new peak, like for example, this is the new peak that we have got today on Great Britain Pound USD. Look, previously it has break the previous resistances, it has moved up. So this is the new peak on Great Britain Pound USD. But I will not say my subscribers that the price has gone high. So I will not say my subscribers to buy it at that level. So let's see what is going to happen later on. Let's have a consult the weekly chart. So weekly chart is at the top right now. So guys, maybe there are chances that the market will make some correction tonight, and again tomorrow back, maybe my signal will be bullish back, because when I will come into the morning, maybe I will find the market somewhere here. So again, it will be a very good chance to give a bullish signal to my subscribers, because the same concept applies, that buy any pair when the market is at the lower price. That's a good option for you. Hopefully you must have understood that concept. So buying at that stage is not a good option. Clear? So hopefully this concept must be clear to you, that I am again repeating, buying any currency pair at the top level is not recommended. This is not good for the trading health. Okay. And buying any trading pair when the market is at the lower price, this is what I recommend to my traders. Okay, so let's move ahead. USD JPY. So guys, let's see. A massive drop comes today. USD JPY. Let me take you towards the signals. Gram, you must know about the signal that we were bearish on your USD JPY today from 104,280, and I was expecting the drop up to 103,916. That already hit, and even the market has went beyond the barriers of the target price that I have given in my signals. Now guys, look at the trend dashboard. What it is indicating you. Look, this will be a key tool with you, that it will keep you highlighted with the possible trades. Look, everything is into down, so you will not be able to plan any long trade on USD JPY into the bullish way. Yes, however, it has received the downward trend, and guys, if you look at this candle has make a hammer. So look, it has a bearish body at the top, and the pin like this, it's a hammer body. And then look what's going on after this hammer. The market starts to make a bullish pressure, but this is not called a very good bullish pressure, because if you look at the overall USD JPY, it's completely down. This is not a good rhythm of the market. So it could be risky if you buy the pair at that levels. It's still below the middle dotted line as well, and I will not recommend my subscribers to buy it right now. That could be a risky option. Let me take you towards the 1 minute chart. Okay guys, this is called the transformation. The market was going down, it hit the red boundary, and then you can see the market starts to pump up. It was going up, and this candle was this candle was closed above, and the next candle was pumped up. Again, it retested the middle dotted line, and then what's going on? After touching the middle dotted line, the market starts to go up again. So guys, if you find this type of opportunities, I mean, on the 1 hour, then definitely you should not miss those one, because if you see that the market hit the middle dotted line and it's making the bullish pattern, then you go with the buy direction, and you should plan a trade like this. But overall, buying at such type of charts, this is not a wise option, because even if you look at the trend, even if you look at the red boundary indicator, it is directed downward. So why to buy when we see that the market is on to the losing side of the, it's going to make a downward pattern just due to that hammer, because hammer is kind of a sign of a trend reversal. It's making the slight bullish pattern right now, but overall this is not advisable. Okay. Meanwhile, guys, if you have any questions, you can ask during this live session as well. So use the chat box and you can do the live session with me. And guys, if you want your comment to stay here for the longer period of time, then you can use the super chat as well. There is also, I think so, there is an option of super chat as well, so that your comment will be visible in front of me for the longer period of time. Okay, at next, what we had, we are now moved to AUD USD. So again, guys, the same thing applies. Look, it has gone into the upward side. So let me check my signal, what my signal was. Okay, my signal was AUD USD that was bullish from 074342. Okay, 074342. This must be somewhere here. 074342. Okay, somewhere here. Okay, so right now you can see that the market breaks my entry and it stays above the that price. Okay, so scalping is good, because we do not have seen a very good top momentum on AUD USD. It was not as much fast as we were expecting, because you know that we are facing the slow days as well. So this is due to this. So overall the market is above the signal line. Okay, so what's going on? Look, the transformation comes from here. When it just above the middle blue line, above the blue line, the market starts to pump up, and 1 2 3 4 5 from last 5 hours the market is still making the bullish pattern. Okay, so that's very good for the trading health, that if you want to trade with the flow of the market, that's very good. And guys, look at this scenario. Look, the market is still above the middle dotted line. So whenever you see such type of chances on the 1 hour, then do not forget to play a buy trade. Do not go with a bearish trade at that levels. Go with a bullish trade. Like for example, if you ask me, this candle has a good chance to go up. So as per the trading system, it was a good chance to buy the pair at this price. That was a very good price to buy the pair. If we talk about here, that was a very good time to buy a pair now, because we have a reasonable gap here. Look at this. Look at this. If you find such type of opportunities on 1 hour, that would be a very good trading gap. You can make a very good amount of profit during this gap, because you can easily make per candle, you can make like 250, 300, 400, 500, depending on your lot size. Okay, so above the middle dotted line means you have to plan bullish trades, not the bearish trade. However, let's analyze the last few candles. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. From the last 7 candles, we have only 2 bearish candles, and the other ones were the bullish candles. So overall, a good chance if you had such type of pattern on the hourly, not on the 1 minute, because 1 minute is just for the demonstration purpose. Okay, guys, at next we have USD/CHF. And my signal was, I think so, down on USD/CHF. Let me see. Yes, it was bearish from 089283. And guys, we have seen that the market has gone into the downward side today. Okay, you can see the drop appeared on USD/CHF with no problem. And even if you have a look on USD/CHF Forex trend dashboard, then it is highlighting you everything with a downward direction. So guys, that's why I say that trend dashboard is a very good indicator, and also the red boundaries indicators are very extremely well. I personally use them, and I love the way it gives the signals. So if it goes into the downward trend, if it's showing you the downward trend, you should be able to plan long trades as well. So look, for example, if you talk about here, the market was going down from a very longer time, and look, USD/CHF is dropping, and that's what we have seen as per the trading system. So guys, I again repeat, those subscribers who do not have the trading system, they can contact me on WhatsApp. They can contact me on WhatsApp +923186732851. And you can also email me on info@200forexpips.com. You can also contact me regarding this red boundary indicators with the arrow indicator. You can contact me as well. And the third one is price monitor, that is not attached here. So let me attach it. This is the price monitor. So this is also a very good indicator, but overall I mostly consult on the red boundary and the trend dashboard. Okay, so let me set up it. Okay, at next we have USD Canadian dollar. So guys, look at USD Canadian dollar, perfectly went into the downward direction. Just look at the trend dashboard. Only we have one up on 1 minute and one up on 5 minute rest, all indicating you the downward trend. And if you look at the USD Canadian dollar pattern, then it's completely damaged, it's completely down. It is telling you that I am going downward, so it does not mean that you are going to buy that pair at this price. Look, my signal was also bearish on USD Canadian dollar from 129,072, and it was a very good trade trading with the signals. Hopefully my subscribers must be in very healthy profits, because the market has gone very much down on USD Canadian dollar. So overall, so simple thing that I want to say, that overall the trend dashboard is completely red, that red with the bearish signs. And look, this candle was closed below the middle dotted line. That was a very good chance that the next candle can go down, and that next candle was massive, it was big down. And subscribers must be happy if they have followed the signal, or otherwise if they were using the trading system. Okay, so guys, one more thing. If you like the content that I'm giving on YouTube, if you want me to do the live streamings like this, then please do not forget to press the like button, because I will say that I will come to know about this from your like. Press the like button. Would you say the trend dashboard can be? Yes, definitely. Trend dashboard indicator is very good to scalp the market, as well as you can plan very good long trades, because once you will have an eye on the higher time frames, then definitely you will be coming to know about everything that it's going into the downward side. Look, right now everything is down. We do not have a single up on USD Canadian dollar. Yes, one up it just appeared, but rather everything is completely down. So why we are supposed to go with a bullish trend? Why we are supposed to go by trading into the bullish way? So that will be completely wrong. If the market is going down, then definitely we should have to go with the downward direction. So guys, please give me your appreciation by pressing the like button, because I have seen that we have only 4 likes on the chat room right now. So if you like the content, if you want me to do the live streamings like this, and if you want to improve your content like trading style like this, then please do not forget to press the like button, so that it can be appreciated that my subscribers are willing to get this type of content. And we will be doing the live sessions on a daily basis. Hopefully I will try my best to come online each day and to highlight the technical analysis of the market. Okay, so what's next is Great Britain Pound JPY. So guys, again the same thing, Great Britain Pound JPY. We have received a move on this one. So Great Britain Pound JPY has come into the upward side. Okay, so right now it's just testing the red boundary area, right? Okay, but we have to see this small pattern, that what's going on here with this pattern. Look, it's still pumping up, but now we need to be very, very conscious here, because if you look at here, if I put the trend line here, then the maximum the market can go is to go up to 140.443. And after that, we have, if you are into the bullish trade, then even I do not advise a bullish trade at that level, because it's right now into the red boundary. But overall, if it still continues to go up, then it can maximum go up to 140.443. After that, we have a resistance, and that's a strong resistance, because the previous data is telling us that the market was rejected from this level very massively on that time. Okay, so if it breaks that resistance, if it stays above, then we can plan a bullish trade. Otherwise, it is not advisable. Okay, so right now the market is also slow on Great Britain Pound JPY. Let me have a look on the 1 minute. Okay, if you go to the 1 minute, then it's still indicating that I'm at the oversold levels, and the market has chances to go into the further upward direction. So this candle has a very good chance to go into the upward direction. So just watch this candle. Look, it's pumping up and then it's pumping down. So overall, if you have analyzed the market at the 1 hour, so for example, if you find such type of pattern here into the low red boundary, let me put the line here. So for example, if you find the pattern here, then do not forget the buying chance on any particular pair. I mean, this is all about Great Britain Pound JPY. So the volatility is so much high on the 1 hour. So for example, let's say if the market comes up to here, and you can see the perfect candle formations like this, because right now there was only single bullish candle. After that, it's again dropping, because it's still entering into the red boundary. It was not supposed to go up from the blue boundary as per the trading system. So basically, it's good if you test the market from the red boundary, then it will be a very good option. Okay, So coming back to the 1 hour, so as I have already discussed, that 1 hour is at the tricky side right now because it's tick, and the last candle that appeared on the 1 hour was also dodgy. So dodgy means the market hasn't decided to go up, and even it has not decided to go up. So kind of an indecision for the market. So the decision was not made on the previous candle, and still 49 minutes have been passed, and this candle is also not deciding anything. So overall, this is a sign of a slow momentum, and due to this, anything can happen on the 1 minute chart. So overall, you should be focused on the 1 hour at least. At second last, sorry, I would like to talk about the Euro JPY. So overall, we have seen a kind of a slow move. I mean, look at the small candles were appearing here. So guys, whenever you feel a such pattern, so it's not good for the trading. But overall, it's at the oversold levels. But would you like to take a buy position? So this is completely wrong, because yes, this is indicator. This is not a human. Yes, this is indicator. We should trade like a indicator. We should also put our human judgment. That could be a very good option, because if you just rely on the indicators, that is not a good thing, because if you put your human judgment, that it will make the strategy more powerful. So guys, why I'm giving these lines, because if you look at here, the market is dropping. It was dropped below the middle dotted line. The next candle was pumping down, and still the candle is not bullish. I mean, it's slightly bullish, but it is not closed till now. Overall, a lose momentum. Even in the next hours, I will not plan for the buy trade, because it's not kind of a confirmation for me. However, on the daily, everything is up. You can see the trend dashboard is indicating you that I am going into the upward direction. And going to the 1 minute chart, okay, a 1 minute chart is at the oversold levels, so indicating you that if you want to quickly scalp the market, then I'm bullish. But overall, guys, I do not recommend the 1 minute chart. I just show for the sake of teaching you the methodology. So overall, if you ask me if such pattern avails on the 1 hour, then it's slightly bearish. Look, a loose candle, and the second one is a loose candle as well. The third one is pumping up, but it's not kind of a very good confirmation for me. So I would prefer to go with a good candle formation. So always use your human judgment when you are going to plan any trade. At last, guys, and finally, we are going to talk about AUDJPY. I will give my words that AUDJPY is in a very perfect time to buy it, because it's completely into the oversold levels. And look, this candle is sweetly pumping up. If we go to the 1 minute chart, the 1 minute chart stays above the middle dotted line. The formation has started, so it has chances to go into the upward direction. And as far as I remember, I think so, my signal was also bullish on AUDJPY. Yes, my signal was also bullish from 77604, and 78152 is the targeted price. So guys, this is all about the today's technical analysis, and that's what we have discussed today. So guys, if you have any questions, please use the chat box. I will wait for the next 1 minute, and that if you have any questions, then I will answer your questions. Hopefully you have liked this session, this trading session that I have given to you today. So hopefully it will have cleared your most of the concepts that you were having about the trading system or the forex trend dashboard. So I recommend both indicators at the top priority. If any of my subscriber doesn't have these indicators, then I just recommend them that this is kind of a very good tool that every subscriber should have, and they want to get it, then they can contact me on my WhatsApp. If you are using WhatsApp, you can contact me on 9+923186732851, or you can leave your email on info@200forexpips.com. So guys, thank you for liking my video, because I can see some good likes here into the trading live room. Definitely, we do not belong to a community where we upload songs and the other stuff, because they catch a very good number of views and the likes like this. But overall, you know that we are talking about the forex market, where we have a cluster of the people, not a very big range of the people who are traders. So we have a limited community on YouTube. So overall, but we are doing very good job with the trading market. So guys, if you have any questions, so please use the chat box and immediately let me know about your questions. But if you don't have any questions, then we are going to close this coaching session, because I was just thinking to go with a live stream so that I can update my subscribers about the live technical analysis for today. And also I thought that let's give some highlights, and it will refresh your knowledge about the scalping techniques. So guys, if you have any questions, please use the chat box immediately, please. Okay. So coming back to 1 minute, look guys, it was above the middle dotted line. I talked about this thing and look how sweetly it's pumping up. That's why I say this trading system is very, very powerful. And if you find a such pattern on the 1 hour, that is extremely fine. And I have also given you my signal and that AUDJPY as at a perfect level to buy it. So I have also shared my signal with you that is bullish from 77604. So guys, no questions till now. So guys, if you have any questions, please ask immediately. So overall, the momentum is very good on AUDJPY. It's pumping up. So maybe I'm expecting that during the night it can go into the further upward trend. So let's see. We have all ups on the daily. Okay, guys, it looks like there are no questions from your side till now. So overall, we are done with the live stream. How do you plan to focus on lot management, brother? You have to plan trades. Look, the higher time frame that you will use, that the maximum results you can get. Okay, so how many signals on average hit TP? Look, I do not give the TP in my signals report. I give the targeted price instead of the look at here. Let me show you. Look, the second price inside my signals report for each currency, each pair is the target price, not the take profit. So basically, if you talk about my that gap, then normally, for example, if I was bearish on AUDJPY, then normally I give this much gap to my subscribers, like this much. I mean, it should cover the whole day trading. So for example, let's say if my signal is bullish, then if I'm bullish from here, sorry, if I was bullish from here, let's say, just take an example. So I set up the target price up to here so that it can cover like 1, 2. Thank you, Elliot. Thank you so much, brother. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 candles like this. So on average, it depends on the market that how soon it's going to hit your level, because sometimes it happens that a couple of candles make a very good pattern and it's going to hit your targeted price. But overall, let's say if I am bullish on AUDJPY from here to here, if I have given the second targeted price up to here, so in between these two levels where you get a reasonable profit, then you need to exit from that trade. Because I have a lot of subscribers on my signals report. Some are big traders, some are small traders, so it vary from a person to person. I mean, for example, it depends on the person to person, that how it depends on their lot size. It depends on their lot size, that what lot size they are using. So for example, if one of the big trader will use good lot size like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, so he will trying to I mean immediate from the trade, from as soon as possible. Okay, so someone asked that what about the stop losses? Stop loss is 50 pips. It is mentioned in my signals report. 50 pips is the stop loss for all trades. But overall, guys, I acknowledge one thing. So for example, let's say if I'm bullish from that level, okay, so from that level, and if I'm giving the target price here, look, the market breaks my level, it went up, it's pumping up. But let's say if the market again comes back and it closes, any overly candle closes below my entry line, for example, this is my entry line and this candle closes below my entry, then I considered it a stop loss. So you can consider it as a stop loss. So you do not mean that, it does not mean that you are going to hold the trade up to here. So immediate exit is most preferably on the close of the candle. Okay, because normally I have seen with my signals, if the market comes into my directions, if it continues pattern, then normally it hit the target price or go near to the targeted price. But let's say if it reverses from the entry line, then guys, it could be a caution that you need to use. Immediately exit from that trade. Okay, any other questions, please? Okay, guys, I have given you the highlights of the trading market for today. Let's see. Okay, look at this AUDJPY pumping above and staying above the middle dotted line and pumping, still pumping up. So this is called the transformation that started from here. And look how long was the transformation, and still it also has to go further up, because everything looks bullish to me right now. Okay, guys, I think so we are done, and thank you. We are almost going to hit the 1 hour time right now. So thank you so much. And guys, again, same time, hopefully tomorrow, 10 p.m. GMT plus 5, we will do the coaching session again. And those subscribers who are going to watch this live streaming later on. So if they don't have the trading system, and if you want to get that, then if they don't have the trend dashboard, if they don't have the red bond indicators, if they want to subscribe to my signal service, or guys, if you are willing to join the if you want to book your coaching session with me, 3 days Skype coaching session, where I will teach my subscribers how I prepare these signals, because these signals are based on a completely trick. So if you want to learn that trick, then I charge for 3 days, and I charge on Skype, and I charge for 3 days, and then I teach on Skype, and you can be a part of that coaching session as well. So I have just completed my all coaching sessions last a day before, or a couple of days before. So now I am open to the coaching sessions again. So if you want to learn this tricky forex market, so you can contact me on my WhatsApp, or you can also email me on info@200forexpips.com. And guys, please note one thing, that coaching sessions are served on the first come basis. Like if anyone makes the payment for the coaching session, so he will be given a time for the next 3 days. And if someone is going to book the next session, then he will have to wait for the next 3 days, because I will have to end up the previous coaching session, and then I will start the new coaching session with another client. So basically it's booked on the monthly basis, like depending on the payment. So if you want to book your coaching session, I really recommend it, because I will share my trick of trading with you, that how I prepare these signals report, how I come to know in the morning that Euro USD is going to be bullish, like New Zealand USD is going to be bullish. So it's completely based on a trick, and I will teach you my trick. Okay. So guys, you can contact me on WhatsApp, and even you can contact me on info@200forexpips.com. So guys, see you tomorrow, same time, 10 p.m. GMT +5. Okay guys, please make sure you like the videos and provide me your feedback. Thank you so much.